In the last quarter of 2024, delinquent business loans jumped nearly 20% compared to the year before, hitting over $31 billion. Big names like JP Morgan, Bank of America, and Goldman Sachs now hold almost $12 billion of those sour loans. Even though total business lending dropped, the number of unpaid loans went up. Not exactly a great combo. Experts say companies are playing it safe, borrowing less, and mostly just refinancing what they already owe. One bank exec called it a wait-and-see game. Translation? Everyone's nervous, and no one wants to make the first move. Let's see if the second half of the year brings more clarity or just more headaches. The bank says personal documents went missing during transit and included names, addresses, phone numbers, social security numbers, and even account details. Yikes. They admitted the data leak and sent out apologies, saying they'll help fix any issues if customers report them quickly. That's a big if. As a peace offering, they're giving out 2 years of identity theft protection. Not exactly a warm, fuzzy feeling from the country's second biggest bank, huh? Guess what they couldn't deliver? Security. Some billionaires just saw the market drop and said, "Perfect, let's buy more." Right after Trump's tariff news sent stocks crashing, 3 billionaire families dropped almost $100 million into their own companies. The Persons put $78 million into H&M, the Londons threw $16 million at their mining biz, and Carlos Slim picked up $2.3 million in energy stocks while prices were down. Sure, the market took a hit. Billionaires lost over $500 billion in 2 days. But these folks? They're treating the chaos like a sale sign. Bold or bonkers? You decide. Arthur Hayes thinks Bitcoin's about to go full rocket mode, and fast. He says U.S. bond sell-offs and rising yields could push the government to print more money, which usually sends Bitcoin flying. And it's not just the U.S. China's slowly weakening the yuan, and Hayes thinks that could also drive people toward Bitcoin as a safer bet. He even throws in a bonus prediction. Banks might get more wiggle room to hold U.S. treasuries, thanks to JP Morgan's CEO. If that happens, Hayes says BTC is headed orbital. Translation: money printers go brr and Bitcoin goes boom.